What's A Whole New Mind? What's the book?
Well, the book makes an argument that the abilities that used to matter most in work, the abilities that we associate with the left side of our brain, logical, linear, sequential spreadsheet abilities, still matter, but they matter less. And it's now abilities characteristic of this hemisphere of the brain, artistry, empathy, inventiveness, big picture thinking. Those are now the abilities that matter most in a whole range of professions and a whole range of industries. It's important to understand why this is happening. There's essentially today, to make it, you have to be able to do work that's hard to outsource, hard to automate, and that delivers on the growing demands of an abundant society. So work that is routine, that is very left brain, basically following a set of rules, that kind of work you can send overseas. That kind of work just races to the cheapest cost provider, whether it's India, whether it's the Philippines, whether it's Malaysia, whether it's Vietnam. That kind of work, and it's white collar work. It's white collar work like certain kinds of accounting, certain kinds of financial analysis, certain kinds of law. That kind of work races to the cheapest cost provider. So you have to do work that's hard to outsource, which tends to be this kind of work rather than this kind of work. Same thing is true with automation. Last century you had machines replace our back, our physical strength. Now you have software replacing this kind of part of our brain. So you have software that will help you write a will, so you go to a lawyer for 2 hours rather than 10. In the United States, you have tax preparation software. So instead of going to an accountant for your individual income tax, you buy a piece of software for $29. Online sites to help you with legal things and so forth.